One of the difficulties with really difficult seasons in life is somehow or another it diminishes our perception of the goodness of God at the center of our souls. We lose a grip on His goodness sometimes in hardship. I went through a really hard season a number of years ago, and I was talking with my friend Ron Walborn. And Ron said to me in the midst of that season, he said, "Bud, you're an intense guy. You need to have more fun." Now, it didn't seem like very spiritual advice in the moment, but I took him up on it. I kind of added fun to my life like a spiritual discipline, like I read my Bible and pray and things like that. And so we started doing more fun things. And every time I did it with a grateful heart that this was some good thing that the Lord had given to me as a gift. James says, every good gift comes from your Father above. Psalm 34:8 says, taste and see that the Lord is good. Well, how do you taste and see that God is good? You can't lick Him, so how do you figure it out? Well, in some ways, you taste of the good gifts that God has given with gratitude, and you discover once again the goodness of God. So in this really tough season, take time and have fun. Take a walk outside in nature. I live on a pond that's right here in front of me, and there's right now swans on my pond. I sit out here in the sunshine at 60 degrees. I look at my swans. Yeah, we got problems, sure, but it's gorgeous outside. Take a ride on your bike. Go for a ride through the mountains if you live near mountains. Go stand by the ocean and take in the breeze and listen to the waves crash if you live near the ocean. Take advantage of the beauty of nature. Watch a funny movie and laugh and have fun. Jen and I laughed real hard the other day when we were talking about Caleb as an old man going out there on the battlefield on one of the previous videos I did, and thinking about the people who are underneath his leadership going, "Come on, Gramps, get a clue. Hit him with your cane, Gramps." We just laughed real hard as we thought about it. Have fun, laugh, enjoy company with those you're with. Listen, if you're not with them, call them. Use your iPhone to do FaceTime, or use Zoom or Skype, or connect with people in this season and have fun. Having fun in the midst of darkness can restore the goodness of God at the center of your soul.